This piece of copper wire installed between these two single pole breakers, this is the violation we're looking at. 240.15b does allow single pole 120/240 volt breakers to be used as overcurrent protection for line-to-line loads or multi-wire branch circuits serving single-phase line-to-neutral loads. However, a handle tie, an identified handle tie, must be used to tie the breakers together. And a piece of copper wire or a nail or a screw is certainly not made specifically to be a handle tie between breakers. Now if we look at some of the other breakers here, these are okay. These have handle ties that are identified for the purpose. But a piece of copper wire certainly would be a code violation. This is Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for EC&M Magazine.